Alright, so this is the new setup on the Trans Am. It's been about a year and a half in making. I gotta go back, fix a bunch of stuff. But we think we got it about ironed out. But so it's a 88 Trans Am, LS swap, twin turbo. We got these little 57, 67 millimeters on there. See what kind of power they make when it hits the dyno March 8th. Tubular front end, which makes a big difference on being able to fit stuff. Opens it up a lot, but had some issues going on there, so took me a lot longer than I thought. But year and a half down the road, we're about to be making some steam. We had I had my buddy David Owens over. He stopped by yesterday, helped me wire up for the new 16 volt system. We switched to the big coils, big coil wire harness and all that. We had to wire all that up, as you can see there. It's just a stock LS. It's got an intake on it. It's got a nasty ass intercooler in it. What else? Oh, so we switched to a 16 volt system. So my car was real lazy on starting it up. So I upgraded to a high voltage starter. That didn't work. Upgraded it to a Mechman alternator. That didn't work. So we're finally getting to the point where I'm like, okay, something else is up. So we switched to a 16 volt. And we're about to see what this thing does with a 16 volt. Before cold start up, probably take a good 10, sometimes 15 seconds when it's really cold out, for it to fire, and then it would die, but that's in the tune. Just needs a little bit of adjustment on the cold start or whatever. But I'm about to hand my phone over to the wife and let you guys see the difference with a 16 volt system. Here we go. Sorry everybody, I left my damn keys inside, dumbass. Anyways, we're about to try this out, see what this 16 volt system does with all this new purdy shit under the hood. Piece of shit. We're gonna see what it does.